If I'm lying, then I am flying. Listen, did you guys see these? The seat covers at Dollar Tree, universal fit, fits most cars, breathable fabric. When I tell you Dollar Tree is being extra fancy, thing I hear right now is ain't no stopping the snacks. Dollar Tree is on the move. Did you guys happen to see these? I have so many goodies for you guys. Lucky cookie. Could you just tell me if you guys seen these? If you did, oh my goodness. What is it? If you seen that, honey, check these items out. You know I'm just joking with you. Look at this. So I heard that you like natural, right? Like you want a more healthy alternatives. Well, listen, did you see this? Okay, well maybe you haven't. This. Okay, hold on, child, hold on. I'm just getting started out here. What about this? And I know you guys have seen the sour sap. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the 100% watermelon juice, Whoop-O. This is $1.25. It's not concentrated juice. Yes, honey, you heard it right. They also have the mango as well. Love this, honey. We moving and grooving. They also have the pineapple juice. They also have the watermelon or natural, 100%. Okay, not concentrate. $1.25. You like sodas, but you looking for a more natural flavor, all right? Dollar Tree has the Reed's, honey. Yes, I did say Reed's. Reed's ginger lemongrass soda. Yeah, this is $1.25. Now, if you know anything about Reed's, it's not going to be $1.25. This is movie groovy. Have not tasted it, Jay. But honey, when they coming through the way they do with the Reed's, I just gotta move. When I tell you, like, I'm really just getting started out in these Dollar Tree streets, you feel me? Look, Dollar Tree has this. I was so shocked. I said, oh my goodness, you know they delivering. Crustables, this is the peanut butter and grape jelly sandwiches. If you looking for a snack for your little ones when they come from school, or even a breakfast thing, Dollar Tree has these. These are $4.75, and when I tell you they taste so good, toasted, oh lordy, so good. Alright, so Dollar Tree has the egg timers. They have Garfield, changes color as the egg cooks from soft to medium to hard. Ooh, I like this. They have many. They have Stitch, and then they also have SpongeBob. If you guys are looking for a strainer scoopity doopity doop, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They have them in two different colors, green and also red. That is $1.50 as well. Now, normally hands in that jar, that pickle jar, that is. Dollar Tree said, no, we're not doing that no more. Dollar Tree said, listen, pickle in a pouch, you gonna grab this stick, a fork, and a condiment, and you gonna get the pickle like this. This is $1.50. Honey, name brand, and hootin'. That you want to have some fun, right? Dollar Tree has these amazing items. Oh my goodness. Check this out. So it is the gorgeous ice cream scoopers. They have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They have Garfield. Love the color coded. They also have the Smurfs, and then they also have SpongeBob SquarePants. This is a given, and also they have the spatulas. Love this. Tell you that they just showing off at Dollar Tree. I mean, they are really just showing off at Dollar Tree. I cannot make this up. You looking for something so adorable? You definitely gonna move your feet to the beat. Oh, child, this is so cute. So this is Gabby's Dollhouse. Now, if you guys don't know about Gabby, Gabby is on Netflix. Really cute. This have markers in here. It also have stickers in here. It also have like a little pad in here. This is a nice. They have different ones. Check this out. They also have SpongeBob SquarePants, looky cookie, and I absolutely love it. Like, it is a take-along. It has the little handle right there, really cute. And then they also have this Iron Man. Oh, child, like this, honey, fancy pantsy. Of course, Dollar Tree has the color changing sunset projection lamp. Now, you get 16 LED colors. It has the remote control. It swivels 180 degrees. Okay, just like the way I did that spin. Now, it brightens up any room, vibrant glow of a colorful sunset. These are absolutely gorgeous, to say the least. When the deals are this good, I'm just saying, like, Dollar Tree, come on, you need a spokesperson, honey. I'd be in a place to pay. Listen, these items are so fans, okay? Now, they straight up delivering for you and me. Check this out. Dollar Tree has the Galaxy Moon Desk Light options when it comes to the colors. Oh, honey, 16. These are $5. Absolutely gorgeous. The strawberry shortcake color changes squishy LED. Now, 9 color modes powered by 3 AAA battery function to change colors, and then they also have the unicorn squishy nightlight. Now, which one are you guys going with? Are you going with the Galaxy, the Moon Desk Light? Are you going with the strawberry shortcake LED changing light, or the unicorn? Let us know in the comment section. Thing I hear right now is ain't no stopping us now. Dollar Tree is on the move. Did you guys happen to see these? So if you guys haven't, Dollar Tree definitely brought these bags. These are the Cheetos Flamin' Hot wireless speakers. Yes, ain't gonna stop. They also have the Dorito one as well. Love this. Built-in controls, quality sound, and wide capability. Absolutely amazing. These items, I just cannot make this up. I can assure you, you are going to love these items. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has these floating figures. They have the Barbie one. So these supposedly float in the water, right? They have that. They also have Paw Patrol. And then they also have the Little Mermaid. Honey, it is given. What is supposed to give? Now, just let me get a Barbie doll my color. Okay, up in here, right? If I'm lying, then I am flying. Listen, did you guys see these? The seat covers at Dollar Tree, universal fit, fits most cars, breathable fabric. Check this out. Now, Dollar Tree, they just being all types of fancy out here. They have the beige and black, and then they also have the red. I believe it's red and black or red, okay? Universal fit for most cars. Now, includes 1 seat cover, 1 headrest cover, easy fit, airbag safe. Ooh, child, you can't tell them they ain't showing out for ya. When I tell you Dollar Tree is being extra fancy, then I like me some fancies. But check this out. This should have you move your pantsy. Now, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous dispensers with the tumblers inside. You get 4 tumblers. The tumblers, honey, is cups, all right? Now, I absolutely love the blue. Let me know in the comment section, which one you prefer. Is it the blue or the red, honey? They are a given, and these are $5. Have you guys seen the new items at Dollar Tree? And if the answer is no, let me give it a go, Joe. Check this out. So when it comes to the little people, Dollar Tree has the Color of Kindness. This is the bathtub finger paint soap. This smell is spring boutique scented. They also have this one as well. Now, this is cool mint scented. Absolutely love this. They also have the jasmine scented bathtub finger paint soap. And if you guys thought that was movie groovy, they also have these as well. This is sweet. Be sweet to each other. Oh, I like this. This is cute. Body wash pen. Vanilla blossom scented. They have different ones. They also have this one, jasmine scented, that goes right along with the finger paint soap. Really, really cute. Now, you know Dollar Tree is being all types of fancy. They have the exfoliating body sponge for the little ones, or you can use it too. This one is the Smurfs. They also have Paw Patrol.
Love your shoes.
Oh, thank you. They also have SpongeBob SquarePants, and then they also have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yes, honey. $1.25, rocking with the best. All I want to know, did you guys see the name brand fine? Yes. Now, you want to know how much this costs? Not definitely $1.25. Honey, this goes anywhere. I believe online it said like $13 to $14 for this bottle right here. Now, this is called the Pop Sugar. Yes. And this is the only one left. This is the shower spray eucalyptus, $1.25. Rocking with the best. Honey, they just give it.